Yes, it's your boy Sus Prince. High digger passer on the beat, killing them. Close than skinny jeans, everybody feeling this. Sauce to the Prince, you already know. I flow with ease, bad sharp nigga, blessed by his popsy. All over to your Tito John, they come back Benny Johnson. Even if we empty, I still no go feel you. Now your life they hang, yeah. Upgraded boat too, nigga spitting trash. I beg, share you be Cabo Snoop. Now the life with attitude, my nigga. Padu, lyrical Boko Ala with my funds, I'm gonna blow. Bruce Banner, evergreen, con like it's a lot of glow. Now they hate it cause I'm flexing while the money is downloading. They've got crippled plans, I swear, it wouldn't work. This baby still won't leave. Stillborn, now keep your ass down where you get hip hop. Or better still, niggas don't even sing songs. You've got whack lines, so stop dissing. You can't drop sheets, so keep pissing. Like a pregnant woman, I might keep spitting. Born in Christian hood, I grew up in my neighborhood. The ghetto is my brotherhood, where people cook with firewood. The Bible is my only book, I see it as a daily book. Like what we see in Hollywood, we still the best. Hollywood, I'm so funny, I'm not a clown, I smile always, never frown. I beat this nigga hands down, I wear my crown. Now who is the best? Enjoy it down. Like Lara, these Christians, they all wanna judge me. I fuck the hood, I'm MI, nobody test me. I'm breaking out, I'm leaving it, and I'm telling y'all to free me. Spitting fire down these rappers, Papa just got out these rappers. I never watch news, I'm always current. I keep flowing wackos, electric current. Chilling with your girl, we join magnets. Killing them or I put them in their casket. What the fuck is wrong with me? I'm acting like a kind of beast. Chilling with my enemies, the devil and his families. On the right side of his bed, we be smoking cannabis. Nevertheless, I'm always the first. Being the first one with the rest. I never answer, only when the money calls. These niggas for me. Chop onions, cause where we dey now, I swear you know if you reach us. I refuse to be broke, I'm rich forever. Recross, this rapper spit water, while I spit blood. They wanna watch Bruce Banner versus King Kong. Fuck marijuana, but I give you what you wanna. Bruce Banner, yes, me, on this motherfucking cypher. Stay tuned and watch me blow, while I cruise in my armor. Fly rapper, ever fly, something like G6. Dope brother, and you can ask my big C's. You all think you rap, I swear, you only G's. This rapper so dry, I'm a ton, I kill and eat them all. Like it's Ramadan, no iPod or iTunes. When I say high rap, it's all Springs, you hate me. Chop raw pop, rah, the best. F1 you've had, cause the only time I lie is when I lay on your girl. These rappers can't win. Asna, I beat them all in the game. Baka, I show no mercy, homo, I fear no bagger. A big test to my boss, I dig a bassa. You never even take off, you say you don't arrive. These rappers think they dope, Organa for your mind. Cost to shine, cost to live, ever focused on my grind. Pooping papers together, niggas see as parabind. Like a director, they not in the movie. Now you beefing, God I beg free me. Rita selling me, they hate BCs. Now they rush just to buy my CDs. I ain't talking Ghana notes, but this nigga self go roast. I ain't even here to boast. Sus Prince, you the best. Rah!
I grew up in my neighborhood. The ghetto is my brotherhood, where people cook with firewood. The Bible is my only book, I see it as a daily book. Like what we see in Hollywood, we see the best Hollywood.